Hey, Dr. Swainey, does counseling help in addiction recovery?
For most people, yes, it helps dramatically. You, one of the big problem with addictions when people get clean is how do we deal with stress? How do we cope with life without using? How do we deal with our emotions? And those are very difficult things for people in early recovery. Because for most people in recovery, myself included, we don't really know how to handle emotions. We may not even know what emotions we're having. Not understanding and knowing how to manage emotions was one of the biggest factors for us running into the problem of addiction. Because usually people who have trouble with emotions have all these emotions built up inside, causing a lot of stress. They use it, calms down. Hey, everything's perfect. Finally, I feel okay. So that becomes your way to deal with emotional stress, with stress in general. Counseling is excellent because counselors do an excellent job at helping people weed through, number one, problems in their life. Number two, though, emotions and what people are having emotions about and how to deal with the emotions in a healthy way. The big stumbling block, I can tell you for me personally, and that's what I see in a lot of folks, is that a lot of people tie IQ or being smart into being able to do well emotionally. And addiction, again, is all about emotions. It's all about dealing with negative emotions and working through the stuff that you've been through, the stuff that consequences that have happened, and those emotions have nothing to do with how smart people are. And what I see is people getting into recovery, people learning a lot about addiction, and feeling like, I've learned all, there is out there, or I've learned a whole lot. I know what recovery looks like. I know how to go do this. And the downfall is, hey, you may have a 180 IQ or 250 IQ, whatever it is, but that has nothing to do with emotions and how you deal with emotions. So, counseling, very beneficial for the vast majority of people in recovery.